Why you're not catching part 2, Squid Rigs. You'll need 8-pound braid, 8 or 10-pound fluorocarbon leader, fastach clips size 1, sinker size 00 and 000. First rig, cut off about 100 to 120 centimetres of fluorocarbon leader. Take your line and then lay it side by side, overlapping at about 30 centimetres. Grab both lines in the middle about 15 centimetres from the ends. Make a loop with the braid, holding it between your index finger and your thumb. Take the tag end of your braid and loop it over both lines and thread it through the loop 6 times. Take the tag and pull gently to form a loose uni knot. Now do the same with the fluorocarbon leader. Make a loop with the fluorocarbon leader, holding it between your index finger and your thumb. Wrap the tag 6 times around both lines. Take the tag and gently pull to form a loose knot. Wet the knot for lubrication before tightening. This prevents the line from causing friction and weakening the line. Take the 2 main lines and pull away from each other to bring the 2 uni knots closer together. The 2 knots will bind down on the opposite lines, creating a double uni knot. Take your scissors and cut the tag, leaving about 3 millimeters of tag on both braid and fluorocarbon line. Take the fastach clip and thread the other end of the fluorocarbon leader through the eyelet. Tie another uni knot and secure it and cut off the tag. Wet the knot before pulling tight. It should look like this. Second drop a rig. Take the clip that's already tied to the main line and add an additional 50 to 60 centimeters of fluorocarbon line. Thread the line through the eyelet and tie using a uni knot. Wet the line before tightening and cut off the tag. It should look like this. Take the second clip and tie it to the bottom line. This clip is for the sinker. Now take one of your sinkers and attach it to the clip. It should look like this. This is what you should have for a dropper setup. Thanks for watching.